My girlfriend says she will leave me if I don't go down on her. Here's the thing about that, guys. Here's the thing. I have been trying. I only just started trying, so I'm not that good. I'll give you that. But I have been trying.
And you know, there's always one thing that's on my mind when I'm doing the business. What's the best facial expression to have when you're doing the business? Like, whoa, what's the best facial expression? Because I don't want to just look at her with dead serial killer eyes, just like like no. I have 4 faces that I like to pull when I'm going down on my business. The first face is the wine connoisseur. Oh, darling, God. Well, this tastes like a Norfolk blonde, growing. I say she's 21 years.
My second face is the disgruntled chef. Like the Gordon Ramsay, like, what is this pussy? Who cooked this pussy to that? Take this pussy to that. I want to be the chef. What type of pussy? Then there's a third face. The orphan in a chocolate factory.
Oh, thank you very much for sharing all this pussy with me. You are so kind. No one's ever been this kind to me. Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you for this pussy, baby. You're so kind to me. No one's ever been so kind to thank you. I'm an orphan in a chocolate factory. No one's ever. Because he's an orphan, he's very grateful. The fourth face. This one is one that might get me cancelled one day, but
It's the autistic child in a roller coaster, right? Because I'm sure they eat pussy too. Oh, that's where you draw the line, huh? Okay, just
gotta hold your breath. I did that joke last weekend, and a parent came to me and says, I have an autistic child, and they've been on a roller coaster, and we started doing that together. Then there's a fifth face. It's the confused foreigner. It's like, how do you say, this pussy is, it's good pussy. That's really what I came in to talk about. I'm trying to save my relationship. These are all faces that I have to do, you know. It's kind of working so far. We've tried 4 out of the 5 faces so far. Our favorite face is the 4th one. Yeah.
I have made you laugh, so you cannot ask for your money back. So I'm just gonna rhyme and laugh. By the way, before I go though, please follow the love flag. This right here is just the beginning. I want to make sure that this night grows.